Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When added to an existing forced air heating system, central air for a 2,000 square foot home costs $3,500 to $4,000 and can be done by 2 technicians in 2 to 3 days, often with little or no change to the ducting.
Make your mark, take our lead.
One appraisal estimate in Money Magazine says that installing a new central air conditioning system will increase your property value by 10%. If a 1,000 square foot cabin sells for about $100,000 with central air, Sophia says he'd list a similar size cabin without AC for about $10,000 less because of the desirability.
Take our lead.
1,201 to 1,500 square feet homes should use 2.5 tons. If your home size is higher than the number above but is less not more than 1,800 square feet, you can go for a 3-ton AC. Choose a unit that is 3.5 tons if your home measures more than 1,800 but not more 2,100 square feet.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.